is device certification, and how do I know if I need it?
So the carriers have spent years and billions of dollars building these networks that allow these devices to leverage the connectivity that they're offering. If your device is not certified, you run the risk that your device can get knocked off. Our position has always been that it's better to have a certified device than an uncertified device. When you're first starting to introduce a product, you may be doing market validation at the same time that you're doing design and manufacturing. And so certification is too early in that process. So it's okay to have a number of devices tested at the same time that you're designing and manufacturing and going through the certification. The carriers understand that. Problem is, or the challenge is, when you start to produce hundreds and thousands and start to sell those things, just like FCC certification, UL certification, carrier certification, it's an essential part of what you need to do to bring a connected product to market. So we work with the carriers to make sure that we're smoothing the process down for you and you don't run the risk of having your devices disconnected because they haven't been behaving correctly on the network. The reason why you want to come to Zipit is because we've been in your shoes. We're able to pull in the carriers to help get waivers or certifications or additional assistance from third parties that can actually help you with the certification process. We've been there, and we are able to bring that consultative assistance and guidance so that way you don't make mistakes when you're launching your first product. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at zipitwireless.com.